wake up today, everyone who is standing here knows very well, and we want the German people, the European people, and the members of the citizens of the world to understand. If we don't hold the Chinese government accountable, everyone's future is going to be the same as those innocent victims of Chinese government's genocide. It's not just the sake of the Uyghurs' freedom anymore. We are fighting for the Uyghurs, but also we are fighting for the freedom and the democracy of the world. The Chinese government is conducting genocide in our homeland in East Turkestan. Also, same time, trying to manipulate and to control the entire world through the blood, sweat, and the tears of the Uyghur slaves. It's against every country's principles and the constitution to use the forced labor. Every company like Volkswagen and the others in Germany must divorce themselves from China's forced labor. The Chinese government, you need to listen. Until the Uyghurs are free, until my sister is free, we are always on your face. We will be always protesting. Freedom for Uyghurs!
Freedom for Uyghurs!
Freedom for Uyghurs!
Freedom for Uyghurs!
Freedom for East Turkestan!
Freedom for East Turkestan!